In today's video, we are going to explore how to use your Apple Watch to monitor for signs of sleep apnea. How to enable sleep apnea notifications. First, check your device versions. On your iPhone, go to Settings, tap on General and select Software Update. Ensure your iPhone is updated to at least iOS 18 or later. On your Apple Watch, go to Settings, scroll down and tap on General. Then select About to check the watchOS version. Ensure your watch is updated to at least watchOS 11. Now, open the Watch app on your iPhone. Tap the My Watch tab. Scroll down and select Sleep from the menu. Tap on Setup Notifications in Health. Select Setup here. Tap on Next. Fill in the details here. Hit Continue. Tap Next. Hit Done. For the algorithm to gather sufficient data, you will need to wear the watch to bed for at least 10 nights over a 30-day period. If you are using Health app, launch the Health app on your iPhone. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Choose Health Checklist. Scroll down and tap on Sleep Apnea Notifications. Enable sleep apnea notifications by sliding the switch to on. If you receive a notification, follow these steps to review it. Open the Health app on your iPhone. Go to Browse. Scroll down and tap on Respiratory. Select Sleep Apnea Notifications. If notifications are marked No data, your breathing data does not indicate potential sleep apnea. If you have a sleep apnea data available, scroll down and select Export PDF. Choose how you want to share the report, such as via email, and send it to your healthcare provider. I don't have data available here. Your Apple Watch stores data on breathing irregularities within the Health app. Open the Health app, tap Browse, scroll down and select Respiratory. Tap on Breathing Disturbances. Use the M, 6M and Y button to switch between data views for the month, past 6 months or year. For more details, tap Info next to the disturbance entry. To view all records, select Show All Data. Breathing disturbances are categorized as elevated or not elevated, giving you insights into your sleep pattern. If you get a sleep apnea notification, export the PDF report and consult with your physician for further evaluation. Your doctor can use the data to recommend appropriate diagnostic tests or treatments. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.